Poet has been declared by EICC. Mr. GIRISH CHODANKAR will be our candidate for 11 PANAJI Assembly constituency, and Mr. Roy Naik will be the candidate for 19 Walapur constituency. Friends, we had an informal meeting of the members of Block Congress Committee, PANAJI Block Congress Committee, and some other sympathizers. And there appears to be total enthusiasm among the people of PANAJI. I won't say equations of various communities, but there is anger boiling, which we have seen, anger boiling against Mr. Manoj Parrikar. He is dreaming of elections unopposed. I think he has said something in there somewhere. Unopposed election. There is no question of unopposed. There is going to be a tough fight, and we will try to defeat him in the forthcoming PANAJI by-election. There are a lot of skeletons under the cupboard. If people think, if somebody wants to create an impression that Mr. Manoj Parrikar is an efficient administrator, then I will prove that he is wrong, from all respect. I have seen him more as Minister of Defence in Parliament. He is to try to fool our MLAs here. He can do it, and he is still doing it. But in Parliament, the way he faced Parliament was fumbling for words when he answered Defence Ministry question. And people look at me at back. Is he your man, intellectual person from Goa? As if to say. Therefore, we will bring all these issues before the public. Mr. Girish comes from Bahujan Samaj. People say he has come from Margaon. I won't say Margaon. Then shall we say that Mr. Parrikar came from Apsa? You won't say that. Everybody was right from contesting. But it's to give bogus addresses here for some years, some 2 elections. Forget about it. I am not taking that issue. But we'll give him tough fight. Now, question is, when Parrikar left Goa to join the Defence Ministry, what was the state of Goa? The state of Goa's financial, there was a total crisis, bankruptcy, total bankruptcy in the state. Mining issue was not solved. Regional plan was not created. And he went leaving goals in vital lands. Now he has come back. People will say, why he has come back? Love for Goa or something like that. No. He saw that in the Minister of Defence, he is nobody. You may find this is exaggeration, but he was really nobody, because Security Advisor Mr. Ajit Doval was running the Defence Ministry, and main consultation of the Prime Minister was with Ajit Doval and not with Manoj Parrikar. When he saw this, he thought, I better come to Goa. Otherwise, a Defence Minister of a big nation, why should he come here in a small state to become the Chief Minister of the state? In any case, he is now the candidate. I will not mention issues that will be taking, but 1 or 2 issues I would like to highlight, which Girish will take during his campaign, and we all will be taking. Nationalization of rivers, 6 nationalization of rivers the manner in which 6 nationalization of rivers have been done, cabinet, when they approved, they hardly knew anything about it. Hardly knew. And today, elections are being held in Panji on the border of river Mandavi, which is one of the rivers which is sought to be nationalized. We have to protect Mandavi, and for protecting Mandavi, we have to vote for Congress. So only Congress can save Mandavi. There is no exaggeration. And Mr. Parrikar is out to sell Mandavi. Out to sell as he has sold all other 5 rivers. We will ask Goan electorate whether you want Mandavi to be sold or not. Why I am selling Mandavi to be sold? Supposing this is the river, this is nationalized 6 rivers. Both sides of this river, specific land will go to central government. The state government will have no control. Whatever Mr. Parrikar may say in the assembly, state government will have no control over this land, which will be specified, whatever, how many meters, I will not specify that. But there will be no control of the state government. On the river also, river will be ruled by central government. For everything will require permission. This is outright sale of our rivers. And therefore, since elections are being held in Panji, we would like to talk about Panji Mandavi river. Another thing I would like to highlight, not today but highlight, is SEZ. He was saying yesterday something in assembly. What he did regarding assembly, SEZ, he criticized Congress right and left, and today he wants to enter into agreement to compromise SEZ land. Matter is pending in Supreme Court. He wants to withdraw that petition. I mean, petition is filed by somebody else. He wants to make an arrangement with industrialists who has filed petition and give them money, return the money. There is no need to returning of money. The issue was whether the SEZ once notified can be denotified or not. And it can be very well denotified, there is no problem. For which you need not compromise with industries. You are compromising the fate of Goans. And why we oppose SEZ, I tell you in 1 minute. We oppose SEZ because SEZ area, supposing an industrialist required this much of land, he is to ask this much, 3/4 more. Besides, industrialists were not giving guarantee of job security, not job security, guarantee that locals will be employed. If you are not securing our interest, you are not ensuring that locals will be employed, and you are grabbing our land 3/4 more, then why should you accept? Therefore, I went at that time along with Chief Minister, then Mr. Digambar Kamat, and said we do not want this SEZ. Then ultimately, Kamalnath was the minister. He told industrialists, if Goa government does not want, why are you going there? He told industrialists. Subsequently, they went to the court, obtained stay, and it is pending there 6-7 years. Now, one day it will come very soon. Why should Mr. Parrikar try to compromise with those industrialists? With what interest is the question which you have to ask him. Smart cities, what has happened? It took long time for Panji to be declared a smart city, in spite of the fact that Parrikar was there as defense minister. Otherwise, if defense minister is there in the cabinet, it was very easy to get Panji as smart city declared, but it did not happen. It happened subsequently when criticism was there. Another issue we'll be taking up is a casino. He is fooling people that we are going to have a new casino policy. I made a statement. Casino policy is not a law. Just see, he's boasting that we are going to have a new policy. Policy is not a law. Supposing you want to make any improvement, take out the casinos from the rivers, and you can redefine offshore or define offshore concept. And by way of amendment to section 13A of the Public Gambling Act, not by policy. If you policy, it is not enforceable. Casino policy, even if it is enacted, it is not enforceable. Therefore, it is like fooling people. This is one of the issues. Yes, despite being defense minister of the country, he failed to secure any land from the defense ministry to Airport Authority of Goa, which we badly needed. Despite being defense minister, he failed to secure military land in the heart of the city, which is in possession of military. In fact, otherwise, as a leader of opposition, he is to raise this time and again. What you are doing? Why this land is with army? What are you doing? You are to criticize our government. But he became defense minister, he could not do. Now, Mr. GIRISH will be filing his nomination on Friday at 3 p.m. and other candidate, Mr. Roy Naik, will be filing on Friday at about 11 a.m. We have also asked all parties. I am asking now, public appeal I am making to Aam Aadmi Party, MGP Party, Goa Forward, Goa Suraj Party, and other secular forces, including NCP and other workers of BJP. I am appealing to all these forces to strengthen the hands of Goa, protect River Mandavi. Please protect River Mandavi in the interest of the state. Rest of the issues, deeds and misdeeds of Parrikar government will be highlighted in due course. Thank you very much.
Sir, you are not working with the Goa Suraksha Manch support?
Yeah, all forces, I said. All forces.
Shantaram Babu, एक question है sir.
1 minute, one by one.
One question. Suppose if you manage to defeat Mr. Parrikar, then the government will naturally go. New government will have to come in power because of the absence of fall of chief minister. Will that new government will be of Congress?
See, you are asking it too much a hypothetical question. We'll be very happy.
Is it hypothetical or realistic?
We'll be very happy if Parrikar falls. As a consequence of which, if we are able to form government, we'll be very happy. Rest thing will follow.
Sir, will you agree that Mr. Parrikar is
outsmarted? Rest thing will follow, I said. Tell me.
Will you agree that Mr. Parrikar has outsmarted the Congress on 3 occasions? The presidential elections.
Is he smart?
Sir, let me finish the question. No?
No.
The Rajya Sabha election, right? And is this the third time that you are forced to pick a sacrificial lamb like Mr. GIRISH all the way from Margao to
No, you
Bangalore?
don't have
Is this
no
also
supply.
defeat, sir?
First of all, what you are talking of is a midnight dacoity. You are praising that midnight dacoity?
Praising what, sir? I'm asking you a question, sir.
That's what I'm saying. You are asking,
I'm asking you a question, sir.
So I call it midnight dacoity.
What's that? The presidential election.
Yes. You are said no presidential election. You are said something you said now.
He outsmarted you.
Outsmarted you on first issue. What you said? The first issue is what?
Forming a government.
Forming government.
Yeah.
Yet I am calling
that's
midnight dacoity.
Okay. Yeah. No, but the fact remains that he's trumps on all occasions and you all haven't.
Huh?
Fact remains that he has come up trumps on all occasions and the Congress has not.
Question is,
The Congress was lost in all three occasions.
when there was, see, I will come now, second question. If, no, results were declared around 6-7 o'clock only. You want us to knock at midnight to governor's sitting room? Can we not get 2 days? And who had appealed to the electorate of Goa to come and vote for election? It is the governor, not the election commission. It is the governor. It was duty of the governor to see, I have made this appeal. What is the result? 17 and 13. It was her duty whether you are interested to form government. That normally parties' approach is different. Did she do this? The question is, you are asking multiple questions. Question is, 2 days you don't get. Which state after elections you don't get even 2 days to elect your leader? You want us to elect leader in the midnight? And how you compare them? How they have done? They are having a legislature party meeting. The minister comes at midnight at 12 o'clock, and by early morning he wraps up everything. He forms government. Is this the manner? Are we going to appreciate such acts and which I call midnight apathy?
शांताराम बाब, आरजेडी बिहारात नाही आपली वडली पार्टी ताका लागून आपणा पयली आपोवपाक जशे कोर्टात येयला कोर्टान तेंचे हे भायर मारला.
I cannot analyze all other state cases and all other judgments. I have told what happened in Goa. We can talk about other state leisurely at some other time.
So last time when the Congress fought in Panjim, it fought on this casino issue. It lost. And this time also you are going to fight on the casino issue.
One of the issues. One second.
And when Siddharth won, he said, question I asked him, he said, see, Congress fought on casinos. People voted for me. So where is the casino issue? Not important. So this time also are you going to fight on
his victory is the decision on casino?
Yes, in Panjim, yes.
No, if he feels so, let him enjoy that victory. No problem.
You don't want to fight, you're giving walkover now only?
No, question is, I have told you very clearly. I have told you very clearly, please. I have told you very clearly what are the issues, casino, what is the issue. And I explained to you niceties, different between policy and amendment to public
No, I'm talking about election.
When you said that the nationalization river will be another issue. You have said that nationalization of river is another issue. When the act was passed in parliament, what was your stand in parliament that time? When the act was passed in parliament for nationalization of rivers, state rivers, what was your stand in parliament that time?
You mean to say my friend was different?
No, that is what I asked.
I have challenged publicly
Parliament
Mr. Sting, and he said, whatever I do, if I don't do it, file contempt against me. Whatever I say, I'll be doing it. So he said.
So what was your stand?
111 rivers, you see, just imagine you are also citizens.
So now how state
111 rivers of India have been nationalized by stroke of pen. And all this land will go.
So now how state government can protect it when the act has been passed in parliament?
If cabinet of Goa had opposed in the cabinet meeting, the act would not have been passed. At least with respect to 6 rivers. It's only because consent was given by state government that these 6 rivers have been included in the schedule. There is a schedule of 111 rivers. It will not have been included.
Sir, as opposition leader, Mr. Parrikar, over his tenure as opposition leader, brought out one scam after the other relating to the Congress government and its leaders. Scams involving grafts, scams involving bribes in big pay and so on and so forth. When you talk about skeletons in Mr. Parrikar's cabinet, all you've come out with are with generic policy oppositions. Does the Congress not have a single scam related to the BJP government under Mr. Parrikar's hand, or are you not talking about it?
You are talking scams from nationalization?
I'm
Scam
talking
on national level?
No. At the state.
Mr. Parrikar, as opposition leader, brought out so many scams related to the Congress, and you all have not been able to bring out even one.
I have not followed your question.
It's as simple as that. Mr. Parrikar, as opposition leader, brought out so many scams
He said
to the Congress party, sir.
all the
So many of them.
I tell you.
And you all have not been able to come up with a single one.
Let me listen. You please listen to me. He said Congress is corrupt, and in mining, all the ministers have done corruption. All means whatever he was pointing out. When he was the leader of opposition, he won the election, came to power, became chief minister. And the second assembly session, he said none of the ministers, none of the members of the present assembly or of immediate past assembly are involved in illegal mining. This is what he said.
Can I just
Make
follow up, sir?
U-turn, and this is what is falsehood is.
Can I follow up?
BJP is addicted for falsehood, and because they are addicted to Modi, who teaches them falsehood and falsehood.
So my follow-up question is, sir, you are saying Mr. Parrikar made false allegations about corruption by Congress leaders? Yeah?
100%
Yeah.
false allegations.
So that
one
means,
by one.
So that means there are no corrupt leaders on both sides, because there are no corruption allegations coming from the
you
Congress
are,
against
you,
the
are,
BJP
quite-
government.
you are asking me question broadly.
I'm not, sir. I'm not, sir. It's a very
You are
specific
questioning me
question.
broadly.
Sir, not specific.
Don't ask me broad
It was
question.
not a broad question. I said, where are the scams in this particular government which you have, which the party has not raised as of now? Are there no scams?
No, question is this.
7 साल से एक भी स्कैम नहीं है सर.
दीदी आप बताइए ना कौन सा स्कैम
आप बताइए मुझे सर.
नहीं मुझे मैं नहीं है स्कैम
You tell
आप
me.
बताइए you tell me that
You tell me.
when I
I'm
say
going to write what you say.
when I say
You
there are
have
no
to write what I say,
scams
sir.
when I say there are no scams you tell me which is the scam
You should listen.
otherwise
जो आप कहोगे सर
otherwise on national level
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Otherwise-
जो आप कहोगे मैं लिखूंगा सर. You can't write what I say. Right? It doesn't make sense. So tell us about the scams.
no I will you
No,
tell
no,
me
he's asking you that during last 7 years, was there any scam by BJP government?
क्या scams थे सर?
the question means I am telling you Congress is not involved in any scam.
No, he's not.
अरे,
He's
आपने
asking
छोड़ा
you.
सर, आपने छोड़ा.
Now, if you are saying that Congress, you are said sir just now, your government is involved in scams, so you tell me, I'll answer.
No.
No.
His question is from 2000. Listen. His question is from 2012 to 2017. BJP government is in power in Goa. He wants to know whether any of their ministers are involved in scam.
Scam.
So you tell me.
मैं क्यों बोलूँगा? I'm a-
No,
if I was sitting in that chair, I wouldn't. If I was sitting there, I wouldn't run away like this.
I am saying no. You tell me which is a scam.
If I was sitting in that chair, I
So
would
you
say
said there is no scam in BJP government. No scam in BJP
See,
government.
please.
No, the question is that the
Don't put
question.
my words in my mouth.
The question is that whether there is a scam in BJP government.
Yes. You
You
say
want your
that.
words from your mouth. Where are the big scams in the BJP government? There are no scams. If there are, why isn't your party raising any?
Question is, I tell you, if there are scams according to you by a government, you please name that.
Not your government. Not your government. BJP government.
BJP government.
BJP government.
मैं आपका नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं कांग्रेस का नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. मैं बीजेपी का पूछ रहा हूँ सर इस बार.
If you ask me BJP scams,
That is what he's asking.
I said,
Back foot, you know. So much of the back foot, sir.
I thought it's a pure party.
Other than that,
And BJP there are no scams according to you.
I'm asking you. Why is your party raising it? कहाँ पे?
BJP is totally corrupt party.
कैसे? Now that is a generic statement. Specific.
Now we will tell this in the election campaign one by one.
But you're starting it today.
No,
we start today
no.
also.
I'll tell you
You
just.
will take
It's a major announcement. You have to come out with one
Your
statement.
question is if we don't prove what you say in election campaign, you can ask me.
Sir, you have brought the AICC secretary, Rahul Gandhi's core group member to fight against Parrikar, former defense minister, Mantha. So at least when you start a campaign, start with a bomb. Give us a bomb.
We'll start.
Start today.
Only this is the first press conference.
Today start.
We'll come by one gun by skeletons in the cupboard of Parrikar. You just wait.
So Girish is looking very upset. Let him talk also. Last दिख रहा है वो.
I'm not
Girish,
upset.
make a statement.
My president is addressing the media.
Girish, please make a statement.
Girish,
Sir, with your permission, can you just say?
Yes, yes.
Can I ask you one? I want to ask President, तुमला दिसता वालपई election जातले because you are filing a disqualification petition. म्हणजे
As of now, Walpoi election we are filing nomination day after tomorrow.
No, तसं म्हणणार. You are also seeking disqualification of Vishwajit.
No, but that is pending in the court.
Yeah, but it is coming for orders on 8th.
No, that's a different matter. We can't prejudge judgments.
No, but are you optimistic to disqualify that law?
Let's see.
शंकरबाब तुमच्या कॅन्डिडेटच्या वाळवयच्या एक 2-3 आरोप असतात संशय टार्गेट प्रकरण ड्रग्स किती नुकसान जाते तुमका
कॉस्टली चार्जेस आसा ते परत सांग म्हाका कॉस्टली स्टार्टेडाचे किती चार्जेस आमचे कॅन्डिडेटचे आसात रिगार्डिंग स्कारलेट
So she made a statement in open court saying that he was involved in the drug.
Let him make the charges in a public meeting during his campaign. We'll answer.
So what do you feel about this CHODANKAR filing a disqualification petition against BJP?
I don't know the Indian agenda behind that petition.
You feel something like that because of your own
Maybe we don't know.
What is your opinion about this realignment of this highways to save the bars?
See, as far as bars is concerned, good question you asked me. The government of India should have taken a stand from the beginning that Supreme Court does not have jurisdiction to decide where the bar should be there, what distance from highway, etc. This stand the government of India should have taken because this amounts, the stand of Supreme Court amounts to transgressing into the parliamentary powers of legislation. Parliament has got right to decide such matters, not Supreme Court of India.
What will be a stand on casinos?
Casino stand is very clear. PCC has already passed a resolution and it was a part of our manifesto. We are convinced that casino is destroying Goa and Goenkas. It has already destroyed number of families. Number two, it has totally polluted river Mandvi. And the way they have manipulated everything to give the permission one after the another. The ATM, the casinos have been the ATM of this BJP government for last 5 years. And now Mr. Parrikar is continuing with these ATMs. They go out of way to help them. When the issue was raised in the High Court by several people during Panchayat elections, the government, on the contrary of supporting the citizens wanted to contest on the High Court, the government had gone to appeal the Supreme Court against the interest of Goan citizens. Whereas in case of a casino, the government has never thought of approaching the Supreme Court. So this government is totally patronizing the casinos, and our stand is very clear. We don't change our stand because of power. We stand by our issues that we raise. We don't form the U-turns like BJP.
So one, just supplementary to this, now that casino which is parked there, do you have anything to say on that, or will you all be highlighting that or putting something on?
This issue I had raised 6 days before in the very same place, and exactly जे सांगलेले त्या दिसा की हे काजिनो फोर्सफुली हाडपाक सोदतात, कोर्टाची सुद्दां निमीत करून कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स ताका ओपोज करतालो, कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचेर तेणी प्रेशर हाडलें, ते कशें भितर आयले आनी कितें केलें हें सगळें लोकांक खबर आसा. सो आमी ऑलरेडी हो इशू रेज केल्लो आनी एक्झॅक्टली सेम घडलें, म्हणजे आमी सांगून सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंटान तेजें प्रिकॉशन घेवना. आनी गव्हर्मेंट हायकोर्टाचो डिसी हायकोर्टान खंयच सांगूना की काजिनो जेन्ना कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सान बॅन केल्लो आसा नॅविगेशनान, त्या टायमार काजिनो भितर हाडपाक परमिशन दिवन खंयच घालना, हें फटिंगपण उलयता. सो आनी ह्याच फटिंगपणा खातीर म्हाका दिसता आख्खे गोंयच्या जनते बरोबर पणजेची जनता पर्रीकराचेर आनी बीजेपीचेर विटलेली आसा. ह्याच खातीर तांकां 21 वयल्यान 13 हाडले. तेजे नंतर तेणी आनी जी फटिंगपणी केली आनी जो लोकांच्या विरुद्ध वचोन जनतेचेर व्हडली जबाबदारी आसा आख्खे गोंयची, कारण गोंयच्या लोकांक हरोवन ह्या बीजेपीन सरकार केल्लो आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता मनोहर पर्रीकराक ही चुलूक लागलेली आसा की पणजेचो लोक आपल्याचे नाराज आसा, ह्या फावटी आपले ते वोट जिखचो, ज्या कारणान लोक कितले कोत्र आसा ते कळपाक जायना. म्हणजे लोकांक परत तो मॅन्युप्युलेट करपाक सोदतालो अशें तेजो अंदाजान दिसता, तो उलयता तेका दिसता. आयज लोक उलोवपाक लागलेले आसात. पणजे हाचे पयलीं केन्नाच मनोहर पर्रीकराचे विरुद्ध उलयले ना. मनोहर पर्रीकरान 25 वर्सां लोकांनी ताका दिलो, पणजेकारांनी ताका नॅशनल लिडर केलो. एक असली कितें वस्त जावं कित्या खातीर मनोहर पर्रीकराक पणजेकारांनी परत वोट करून इलेक्ट करचो हें मनोहर पर्रीकरान उत्तर दिवचें. एक रिजन, मनोहर पर्रीकर should tell one reason why people of Panjim should vote him again after 25 years. All the issues that which was there in the manifesto of Manohar Parrikar when he contested first time, the same issues have been the part of the manifesto, and I am confident this time also Manohar Parrikar's manifesto will have same issues which was there 25 years back.
Yes, since this is such a prestigious seat and the former defense minister is contesting, will you be requesting your AICC boss Rahul Gandhi to kind of come and campaign for this particular by-election? Will you be requesting?
See, generally by-elections it is we have to see, because he has been touring several places. I think people of Goa and people of Panjim now are now decided to defeat Parrikar. I don't think Rahul Gandhi is required to defeat Parrikar. People of Panjim have decided. It is only the counting has to, you have to wait. And as our president has appealed, I also appeal all the political parties, all the NGOs and all the concerned citizens who are concerned about the democracy and democratic institutions which have been destroyed. I think I appeal them, all of them, that they should support our candidate, and we should, with the help of people of Panjim, we should create a history in Panjim by defeating the sitting chief minister, and people of Goa will be defeating second chief minister within the 6 months time.
गिरीश बाप्पा, तालिगाव आणि सांताक्रूजचे तुमचे आमदार तुमच्या प्रचाराक येतले काय ना?
आमचे सगळे आमदार प्रचाराक असतले आणि सगळे आमदार आमचे
आमदारांना सांगला वाळपे आपण प्रचाराक वचचो ना.
ते आम्ही जेन्ना प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आसली तेन्ना आमी तिका चलो थंय कॉन्टेस्ट करता, म्हणून आमी सांगलेले इट वील वी आर लिविंग इट टू हिम बिकॉज ही इज व्हेरी सिनियर मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड लिडर. तुम्ही पहिल्या कितें हें करया, सगळे पार्टीचे कॅडर आनी सगळे चार्ज जाल्ले आसात, आनी म्हाका दिसता पणजेकारांचो डिमांड आसा की एक इलेक्शन बरें करून लडोवपाचें आनी मनोहर पर्रीकराक परत ते म्हापसा धाडपाक सोदता.
Thank you.